What's up guys, in this video I will share my top 5 you will never go wrong play to earn projects of all time. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so I will be listing all of the links that we will be using in this video, starting off with Immutable X. Alright, so this is very familiar guys for those of you that has been playing play to earns for a while already. So Immutable X is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum that aims to provide fast and secure transactions for decentralized applications. Alright, so investing in Immutable X can be attractive for individuals looking to participate in the growth of the Ethereum system. So going and checking out this one guys, this is the token that they have. In my honest opinion guys, I've been holding this token right here, the IMX, for quite some time, and you know, just like what other crypto tokens would have, it has its up and downs, but it's not going anywhere. It's not gonna be gone anytime soon. This is something that you could go ahead and check out and can include in your portfolio as well. So going to the next one, Gala Games. So Gala Games will definitely ring a bell if you have been in the play to earn market for quite some time now. They have been creating a lot of really quality games, and their token price is still up there guys. I mean, you know, crypto market had its ups and downs, but definitely Gala has still maintained its position. You know, it went down definitely, just like any other tokens. It's something that you need to go ahead and check out and do your own research on, because this is something that really has potential in the long run. All right, that is Gala Games. You can go ahead and check them out, app.gala.games. Next one would be Blanco's blockchain party. Website is www.blancos.com. You can go ahead and check them out. Really fun game. I played this a lot back then until now. I mean, the graphics is really good. It may look like it's for kids, but no, when you play it, definitely have a lot of fun, you know, challenging yourselves, playing with the rest of the people that are playing that in that server. And they also have NFTs in there as well. So the game is built on the EOS blockchain, offering transparency and security for ownership and trading of the virtual toys. So just like what I showed you earlier, those are your virtual toys, like this ones right here. So it's like NFTs that you could go ahead and check out as well. All right, next one we have the Wildcard Alliance. So for the Wildcard Alliance guys, it is a project focused on the decentralized gaming ecosystem where players can earn rewards and trade digital assets. This one looks like a very promising game or play to earn as well. Looking at the graphics, just looking at their website, I mean, you would definitely know, you know, that the project is really investing on quality. And again guys, I would strongly recommend that you always do your own research. All right, so checking that out, you have Bulgar and Burr, so Man in Nature, Bound and Bonded, and then Lock and Watchy, so Mech Tech and Man's Best Friends. All right, so check them out. This could also be a good addition to your portfolio. All right, and then last but definitely not the least, we have the Midnight Society right here, Dead Drop. So Dead Drop is a cryptocurrency that combines blockchain with augmented reality, or AR as they call it, to create the unique experience and treasure hunting experience that they are trying to pull off with their gameplay. So investing in a Dead Drop guys can be intriguing for individuals interested in the intersection of blockchain, AR, and gaming, as it offers novel and immersive ways to interact with digital assets. So checking them out right here guys, you see, turn on this sound right there. Look at that. Nice. So for those of you guys that like shooting games, Go ahead and check them out as well. So midnightsociety.com/deaddrop. All right, so those are the top 5 crypto project play to earn games as well as gaming platforms that you could go ahead and check out. Always do your own research. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.